The other consideration that I have in this widget is this idea of different planets would have different tunings. I don't mean every sound. I'm particularly referring to sound produced in an air column. I was thinking about like an orchestra. If you were to put an orchestra on different planets, would they sound different? If they were the same instruments playing the same music, would you hear a difference in tuning? And yes, you would, because the instruments with air columns like woodwinds, brass, etc., they would be affected on planets that have things like helium, like I have now, Jupiter, hydrogen and helium. So helium would affect the sound, not the entire sound though. On the woodwind instruments, yes. But if you think of something like a voice, and like when you have helium on Earth, when you suck in a balloon with helium, the pitch of your entire voice isn't changed. It's your fundamental frequency remains the same, but the formants of your voice become pitch shifted. And that's different on woodwinds and brass, where the entire sound would be pitch shifted. So in this example, I've allowed for as if you were playing a clarinet into this system and you want to hear what the clarinet would sound like on different planets. This button allows for that to happen. If there was an orchestra on these planets that I've just shown, the violins would stay the same pitch as intended here on Earth, but the woodwinds would have these different pitch shifts. So right now we're on Jupiter, and you can see beneath this button it says shift 19 semitones. So it's plus. So the sound on Jupiter with an air column instrument would be 19 semitones up, whereas on Mars the clarinet would be minus 6 semitones down. So it's interesting to think about. It's not, again, not for all sounds, but it's interesting to dip into that world of these sounds that would be altered by the gas composition because they are a part of air columns. They have air columns. Humans have air columns when we talk. So part of our voice would be altered, but not the fundamental frequency